I had a mini haul from Ulta recently, so I want to show you how I use them, and we'll even do some on-camera application. Hi, I'm GloryB, and this is GloryB-TV, a lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. Sometimes I do a mini haul, not very often anymore. So I have some things that I bought. One of them I already returned, the MORPHE. I already did a video on that. Another item I returned, which I'll talk about today. Some of you might like it better than I did. And then we'll go over the rest of these things in the next clip. Let's start with the Pixi C Vitamin Lip Brightener. Now, when you look at it, it looks like it's going to have this nice color with something in the middle that's colorless. So it looks like it's going to put a little bit of color on your lips, but it doesn't. And I'll show you. So here's my lip color, plain. And here we go. No color at all. So it's a lip balm, so you got to keep that in mind. There are all kinds of reviews on this on various websites, Pixi, Ulta, Target, and people say, I thought this was going to have some color in it. It doesn't. So it's an upscale lip balm. It's nice. So if you adore Pixi, then I think you'll really like this. It's a lip balm. Otherwise, you might want to stick to whatever lip balm you already like. I will tell you, it has no scent, so that's a plus, because these days it's hard to find a lip balm that doesn't have any scent. So for that reason, I really like it. Next is the Milani Mask. This is a supercharged brightening prep mask. And this is a really nice mask. It's very thick. So I want to show you how thick it is when it comes out of the tube. It doesn't run. And then I used it this morning. So I want to show you just putting it on a clean face. I had already washed my face with a very light wash and then put this on. And you just spread it on and then let it sit on your face for 10 minutes. I just go and do something else. Sometimes I go check comments on YouTube for my channel, and that's a good time to do that, 10 or 15 minutes. And then after the 10 or 15 minutes is up, then you come back to the sink and you moisten your fingers and then massage your face with the wet fingers just for maybe 5 seconds, that's all. And then give it a good rinse. You can use a washcloth if you need to, and then pat dry. Now, I notice after I use this, pat my face dry, and then put on my other skincare, like my serums next, my skin just feels so exfoliated and very smooth. This is something you can use once or twice a week. So I do highly recommend this. Links, of course, are in the description box below the video for all the products today. I'm a little late to trying the LA Girl line. Some stores just don't carry it in the stores, so it wasn't like presenting itself to me, but I did buy some online. So one of the first things I bought was their Kajal, I don't know if that's how you say it, auto eyeliner in the super black. And I mean, this is really super black, and I applied it today. So let's go to that clip so you can see me putting this on. And as I say in the video, you got to be careful when you put it on, because it can easily get on your fingers, or if you wipe off a smudge of it and then it's on your fingers and then it gets everywhere. So it reminds me of some kind of oil-based crayon that a friend of mine had when I was a child, and they just get everywhere. But other than that, I mean, the thing stays all day. So let's look at the application. I've only done the face makeup, and now I'm ready for the eyeliner. And here it is. And it's got to be back by me if it's going to be focused. But I am going to put some on the back of my hand. Let me see. I want you to see how, I wouldn't call it loosey-goosey, but it's really intense. And you want to have a tissue nearby in case you get any on your fingers and you don't want to touch your face then with your fingers. So yeah, I'm going to wash that off as soon as I finish this. So try to set this up so that I can actually see what I'm doing, which I usually need a 10x mirror for this. So I just do some light strokes and I'll pull my eye back with the other finger just to get a taut eyelid. And I'm just, because it's so creamy, I'm just touching on spots and making a mess, but I'll fix that when I'm doing my eyeshadow. I hesitate to do a little bit of a wing here because everything it touches it gets on, but you can get pretty close to your lashes. I don't line under here because my eyes are so darn sensitive. There's no way that I can get away with it. So you see I got a little bit, it's not exactly a straight line, and now I'm touching things and I'm getting black on my on my lid. All right, so that's one. Let's do the other one. A little bit of a wing. So yeah, it goes on really quickly and I ended up not getting any on my fingers. So now, of course, all of my makeup is on, except that my lips have lip balm on them. But my eyes are done, so you can see, you know, from a distance, which most people would be a distance, how this is actually quite an intense eyeliner. And you saw in that clip when I started, I have no eye makeup on. So even though my lashes are longer due to using Care Pros, they're still blonde. So I look more like the Scandinavian side of my family without eye makeup. So this is a good one to try and a great price point. So I'd say, yeah, go for it. Another LA Girl product I bought that I've already returned, and I have to read the name. It's the LA Girl Nudes Beauty Brick Eyeshadow Palette. It looked beautiful. I bought it online. I tried it, but it was 12 shades and only 4 were matte and the other 8 were shimmer. And I need it to be the opposite. I need lots of matte at my age and just a little bit of shimmer because I only put shimmer on the mobile lid and everywhere else I have matte. So yeah, so that already went back. But if you love shimmer, I think you would like that palette. And then last, I have 2 LA Girl, these are called Perfect Precision Lip Liners. And I bought one in nude and one in pinky. So I'm going to wipe off my lips of the Pixi, and then we'll try both of these and put a gloss on top. So I want to show you a close-up of these as well. So the nude is truly a nude color and the pink is truly a light pink. So let's start with the nude. Almost looks like foundation on my lips, but this would be good under a nude type lipstick or something that was toward more of the brown tones, but I'm going to use this Persona lip gloss on top of it. It's a really light color gloss on top of this liner, but gloss on top of liner is a really great way to have the liner that's going to stick on your lips for a longer time during the day, and especially if you're wearing a mask, it's going to stay on there a little longer. And then the gloss on top just helps to moisturize it and help it not be so dry. So now I'm going to remove this and we'll try the one called Pinky. Now I have Pinky, and let's do this. I don't like to go into the corners at my age, so I stop short of that. And people have sometimes written they remember their grandmothers years ago having their lipstick just too much in the corners, and it doesn't look good on an older woman. It looks okay on younger women, but not once you got these lines. All right. And it's kind of a dry, it's a mixture of moisture and dry in the liner. So I'm just going to use this. I don't even think they sell this anymore. It's a Lorac, more of a plain shimmery gloss. That color, the pink is awfully matchy-matchy to my shirt. That was not planned. So I highly recommend the line from LA Girl of the lip liners. These are great. Just pair them with your lipsticks, pair them with your lip glosses like I've done here today. And I think that would work out really well. And again, you can't beat the price. Check out one of my other videos by tapping its image on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.